you know, talking about the balance between work and life. But it's kind of funny because as I've read and learned things, like true balance is not really possible.
What is the story behind your Instagram handle, The Balanced Musician?
It's kind of funny, like I was thinking about that today. Like it started out, so in musicians, we have to play in balance. You know, we have this thing called the balance pyramid that we try to strive for. And then we also balance, like, depending on who has the melody or who has the harmony. But then also, you know, work-life balance is a big thing for me, a big thing that I talk about. I actually presented about it at our state music educators convention, and I'm going to do it at our national. So I was like, that would be really cool because it touches on the musician side of things and the fact that I really like, you know, talking about the balance between work and life. But it's kind of funny because as I've read and learned things, like true balance is not really possible. And that's kind of true in a music setting. Like it ebbs and flows. Like sometimes you're very prominent, sometimes you're not. Sometimes you have to back off and let other people shine. And it's just a very good metaphor for life. Like, you know, you can't just never go to work or never go to school or go home. Like it ebbs and flows. Like sometimes I'm home a lot. Sometimes I'm home at school until 8 o'clock. So kind of just ties in like my two passions, I guess, like teaching music and helping people live a bit better of a life overall.